I just want to share my experience today, what happened after I finished supercharging. So when I unplugged the charging cable and I put it back into the slot, I went into the vehicle, and the screen, it pops up like the pin number that has, and when I tried to punch the pin number that I created, I wasn't able to because the screen was irresponsive. It's not responded to anything. So if that is the case, what should you do? All you gotta do, just press and hold on to this button along with this button right here. You press it down and you hold it for about 15 seconds, and you will see the screen. It will flash and then it will go back on with the Tesla logo. And wait, I would say about less than a minute, and everything should be turning back up. And then you can input your PIN number, and then you can do whatever you want with the screen. So by then, it is already back to operational stage. Pretty much just for this video, I just want to share my experience. So if it happens to you, so you know exactly what to do, don't get freaked out, because there's nothing else you can do but besides resetting the computer system. And that's how you reset the system. Hold the 2 scroll button down, and then afterwards wait for it, and then go back up. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about Tesla, buying, discount, referral code or something, just feel free to leave me a comment. And if you're going to buy a Tesla, feel free to use my referral code. I'll get something out of it, and you do as well too. And that's one of the ways of saying thank you to me, and I appreciate that. And if you like the video, feel free to give a like. And if you love the Tesla content or anything related to Tesla or promotions, feel free to subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.